Hello there, lovelies. Thank you and welcome once again to Abinasia's Recipes. In today's video, I'm sharing with you this delicious Waakye stew using my all-purpose tomato stew or time-saving stew. Let's get right into it. I pre-cooked my cow skin or cow hide so that I can add it to the other meat later on. Now to a blender, I'll blend my onion, garlic, ginger, habanero pepper, green bell peppers. I'll add in some rosemary, aniseed, and coriander, water, and then I'll blend until it is very smooth. You can use any protein for this recipe. I'm using goat meat and beef. I'll add in some goat tribe and then my pre-cooked cow skin or cow hide. I'll add in my blended vegetables, beef seasoning, some salt, and then I'll allow this to steam for a good 15 minutes without adding water. Now 15 minutes later, I'll stir it up beautifully and then I'll add in some water. Cook it for a good 20 to 25 minutes or until the meat is tender. And once the meat was very well cooked, I removed it from flame and then transferred my goat meat and beef into my air fryer. You can as well fry it in your oil, but I find this to be time-saving and healthy. If today's your first time on this channel, hello there and welcome to the family. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please kindly subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Thank you. So now that my meat is in the air fryer, let's start making the stew. To my pot, I added in a little bit of oil. Then I came in with my bay leaf, my dried rosemary, and curry powder. This is totally optional. I came in with some sliced onion and then allowed it to fry for 2 minutes. Once my onion was nicely fried, I came in with my time-saving tomato stew or all-purpose stew. I stirred it up beautifully, covered it, and allowed it to simmer for about 7 to 10 minutes. Now at this point, our meat is done in the air fryer. I'm going to remove it out and then set it on the side. So after 10 minutes of simmering the stew or low frying the stew, I'll add in my shrimp powder and herring powder or fish powder. And then I'll come in with my meat stock, my cowhide, and goat tribe. We'll stir it up and continue low frying or low simmering the stew. We are not seriously cooking the stew. The stew is already cooked, but we'll be stirring this periodically so we don't burn the bottom of the pot. At this point, I'll add in my air fried meat. I'll add in some sliced onion and habanero pepper for extra heat. I'll stir it up nicely, cover it, and allow it to simmer for another 5 minutes. And we'll be stirring this periodically to prevent the bottom from burning. To my amazing returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support. I truly appreciate you. Thank you for always sharing my videos on your various platforms. God bless you. Now that I'm adding my boiled eggs, guys, the stew is done. Everything has simmered together beautifully, and you can serve this with any starch of choice. Kinky, with rice, with yam, plantain, name it, guys. It was so delicious. I'll make sure to leave a link of my all-purpose tomato stew in my description so that you can also achieve this delicious stew. I enjoy this with white rice someday and also enjoyed it with Waakye. Guys, thank you so much for always coming back to support. I really appreciate you. Thank you for staying with me until this time. Please kindly follow me on all social media platforms, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and here on YouTube. God bless you and please stay safe. Bye, guys.